Well, you know what day it is. It's April 21st. It is clearly Jax's birthday, and we're going to have a birthday party. Happy birthday, you're 10. Oh, no, you can't see your treats yet. You can't see those yet. Oh, we got a cake for you, too. Did you want to see your cake? Here, let me show you your cake. It says Jax and 10 on it, and we got you a little hat. You want to wear this cool sombrero? Let me see if this works. Let me see if this works. Oh, wait, you want to try your cake? You want to eat some cake? Oh, oh. He likes it. He likes the cake, guys. Oh, my goodness. You didn't blow out your candles. You didn't. Happy birthday, Jax. Make a wish. Make a good wish, Jax. What'd you say? Are you really eating he's eating the frosting. He's literally eating you can't eat frosting, you big putz. All right, here, I'll help you blow the candles out. Ready? Make a wish. Make a cat wish. Good boy. Good boy. You want to open some presents, Jax? You want to look in there? Is there anything in there that you might want? I mean, there's that. There's treats. There's lots of treats. I didn't even take it out of the package yet, you big putz with the butts. You like that one? Holy crap! Let me see this. Can I? I'm gonna cut it. Oh, I know. Here, I was gonna. I'll show you. You don't need the cardboard. Can I have this? I know, but I'm glad you like it. I just wanted to help a little bit. No, you got it? Okay, I'll just do it like that. Okay, we got one more. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can have it. It's right there. Jeez, man. Crazy kitty. Can I maybe have that one since it's not my birthday? Okay, well then I'll just let you have it then. You go ahead and enjoy it. Oh my goodness! He likes bananas, guys. Jax, what about this guy? This one has a tail. Did you want to try that one too? He's like, no, get that away from me. I ain't got time for that one. I already got this one. Is that safe to grab? Can I have this? Is it safe? It's stuck. Yeah, it's really stuck. Well, I know that it's stuck on you. I just need some help. Can you think you rolled over on it? Whoop! He bites. Whoop! He's frisky. Frisky. Okay. You can have that one. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got these. Is this like a year's worth supply of Temptations? Like a year's supply? Is that good? Is that gonna work for you? Okay. Look, Auntie Jill and Sean got you something too. Did you want to smell this one? Want me to help? Okay. What else is in there? Did you want to peek in there? Oh my goodness! What is that? Oh! Whoa! Look at that! You like those? Holy! Temptations! Cat snips! Wow! What do you want to try first, Jax? That one? Is that the one you want to try first? This one or this one? Here, I'm gonna try this one. This is my favorite. Oh, you like this one too? He likes this one too. That's what it is. You think you like that? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna try some. Is that pretty good? Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest. In case you didn't see his cake with his name on it and some kibble treats there in his corner. Jax, you ready for your cake? Your dessert? You ready for your cake? Yeah? No, you full? Can I have some cake? I'm gonna have some cake. So which is your favorite toy? Did you see that you have little taco fish? These are the taco fish. You like those ones? Can I have that one? It might be kind of nummy if you try it, if you nuzzle it. Yeah, see? Taco fish. Mmm. There's also this glistening little fishy. Oh, back to the banana. Okay. Well, at least you're a healthy boy. What's with the claw, though? This isn't part of it? No. Here, I'll just put that right there, then. There you go. Oh, okay. Oh, these crinkle. Did you know that these crinkle? Oh, okay, fine. Here, but it does crinkle. You getting high on catnip? I put a little bit of catnip on all your toys. I did. You doing okay? Oh, okay. Oh my. Feisty. Alright, well, time to take away all the toys. No more birthday. Time to take them. I need to take them. Can I? You're not sharing? Okay, he's not sharing. He's not sharing. Well, what a good boy. And congratulations, Jax, for losing 6 pounds this last year. You did good. You did really good. Now let me have that banana. Jeez, he's really got a hold on it. You're so funny. Happy birthday, Jax. Happy 10th birthday. You got that crazy cat look in your eye? Yeah, you do. Okay. Yeah? Is that what you do? Okay, you ain't right, man. Can you just... Oh, okay. You big goober. You big goob.